Observations. At Lawton, it was cloudy. The temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 65, and the relative humidity 73%. The wind was southeast at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 25. The pressure was 29.89 inches and rising. At Hobart, it was cloudy. The temperature was 73, the dew point 65, and the relative humidity 75%. The wind was south at 23, gusting to 36. The pressure was 29.86 inches and steady. At Frederick, it was cloudy. The temperature was 73, the dew point 64, and the relative humidity 73%. The wind was south at 18, gusting to 29. The pressure was 29.83 inches and rising. At Wichita Falls, it was cloudy. The temperature was 74, the dew point 65, and the relative humidity 73%. The wind was south at 13. The pressure was 29.89 inches and rising. Observations from around the region. It was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 62 at Amarillo and 68 at Lubbock. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 71 at Childress, 75 at Dallas-Fort Worth, and 71 at Oklahoma City. At Clinton, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 71. Once again at 7 a.m., at Lawton, it was cloudy. The temperature was 74. The following is your hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas. Day 1, today and tonight, thunderstorms. Thunderstorms are expected across much of the area this afternoon through tonight. A few severe storms will be possible across the eastern half of Oklahoma Wednesday afternoon and evening. Fire weather, gusty southwest winds, dry vegetation, and drier air will create fire weather concerns across western Oklahoma and western North Texas this afternoon. Days 2 through 7, Thursday through Tuesday, thunderstorms. Thunderstorm chances return Friday night through early next week, with heavy rain the main concern. A few severe storms are possible Sunday afternoon and evening across the western half of the area. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. From the Norman Forecast. %. Thursday night, clear, cooler with lows in the lower 40s. North winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming northeast after midnight. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 60s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Highs in the upper 60s. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 50%. Monday and Monday night, showers likely. Highs in the mid-70s. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 70%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. A chance of showers. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 50%. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL 46 Springfield, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting from the KWFC FM tower located near Fordland, Missouri, on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. WXL 46 provides the people of Southwest Missouri with the latest forecasts, watches, and warnings from the National Weather Service in Springfield, Missouri. If you have problems with reception of this broadcast, please contact the radio manufacturer or call us at 417-863-8028. If you have questions or comments concerning this broadcast, please contact the National Weather Service email at contact.sgf@nia8.gov or write to the National Weather Service, 5805 West Highway EE, Springfield, Missouri, 65802. For even more weather information from your National Weather Service, check out the following internet websites: www.weather.gov/SGF. The current time is 7:08 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Missouri Ozarks and extreme southeast Kansas for today and tonight. Weather hazards expected: slight tornado risk, slight hail risk, enhanced thunderstorm wind damage risk, significant lightning risk, limited excessive rainfall risk, elevated non-thunderstorm wind risk. Discussion: wind gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour will continue near along the Kansas-Missouri border through sunset tonight. Scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are possible this evening ahead of a cold front that will bring widespread severe weather and heavy rainfall chances. Scattered, semi-discrete thunderstorms are most likely near the Kansas-Missouri border around and just after sunset, which could bring quarter-size hail, winds up to 70 miles per hour, and a few tornadoes. A cold front will move southeast late tonight, bringing heavy rainfall with a very low flooding threat in addition to severe hazards of damaging winds up to 75 miles per hour, frequent lightning, and a few possible embedded tornadoes. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. There is additional chances for showers and thunderstorms this weekend into early next week. Spotter information statement: spotter activation may be needed tonight for areas west of Highway 63, especially along the Kansas-Missouri border. At 7 a.m. and Thursday night, clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Light and variable winds, becoming southeast around 5 miles per hour after midnight. Friday, sunny. Highs in the middle 60s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Friday night, partly cloudy in the evening, then mostly cloudy with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Not as cool with lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, showers likely. A chance of thunderstorms, mainly in the morning. Highs in the middle 60s. Chance of rain 70%. Saturday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Near steady temperature around 60. Chance of rain 90%. Sunday, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers, mainly in the morning. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 90%. Sunday night and Monday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 80%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Cooler with lows in the upper 40s. Chance of rain 80%. Tuesday, partly sunny with a chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Cooler with highs in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 50%. Here are the 7 a.m. conditions for the local area. At Topeka, it was cloudy. The temperature was 74 degrees, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity was 57%. The wind was south at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 30. The pressure was 29.86 inches and rising. At Manhattan, it was partly cloudy. The temperature was 73 degrees, the dew point 59, and the relative humidity was 61%. The wind was south at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 25. Around the region, at Springfield, it was partly cloudy, with a temperature of 67. At Concordia, it was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 71. It was cloudy, with a temperature of 73 at Lawrence, 74 at Kansas City, and 72 at Emporia. Under cloudy skies, Beatrice reported 63, Omaha reported 56, and Wichita reported 72. Once again, at Manhattan, it was 73 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Once again, at Topeka, it was 74 degrees under cloudy skies. Now here is your National Weather Service forecast. Today, mostly cloudy. At Springfield, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 67. In Wichita, it was cloudy with a temperature of 72. At Fort Smith, it was clear with a temperature of 73. And in Fayetteville, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 70. Once again, at Tulsa International Airport, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 72. It was mostly cloudy, with a temperature of 71 at Tulsa Riverside Airport, and 71 at Muskogee. The forecast for the Tulsa area including much of northeast Oklahoma. Today, mostly cloudy. Isolated showers this morning, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Breezy with highs around 80. South winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Much cooler with lows in the lower 50s. South winds 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour, becoming northwest 10 to 15 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of rain 90%. Thursday, sunny, cooler with highs in the mid-60s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-40s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the lower 70s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers in the evening, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Not as cool with lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 50%. Saturday, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 60%. Saturday night, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Lows in the lower 60s. Chance of rain 80%. Sunday, cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the morning. Highs in the lower 70s. Chance of rain 70%. Sunday night, showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 70%. Monday, showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 70%. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Lows in the upper 50s. Chance of rain 60%. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then a chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 60s. Chance of rain 50%. And now the hazardous weather outlook. Issued at 4:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This outlook is for northwest and west central Arkansas as well as much of eastern Oklahoma. for today and tonight. Tornado. Risk, elevated. Area, northeast Oklahoma. Onset, this evening. Severe thunderstorm. Risk, elevated. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, this evening. Heavy rain. Risk, elevated. Area, eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, this evening. Significant winds. Risk, limited. Area, northeast Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Onset, ongoing. Discussion. Severe thunderstorms are expected to develop along and ahead of a cold front late this afternoon and evening. Storms will initially be capable of producing large hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes. The highest tornado threat will occur this evening, likely after dark, along and west of Highway 75 in northeast Oklahoma. Storms will congeal into a line and move eastward through the overnight hours. As this occurs, damaging wind gusts will become the primary hazard. However, a limited embedded tornado threat will persist with storms as they move through eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Most severe weather is expected after dark, so please have multiple ways to receive warnings in case one is issued for your area. Storms may also produce heavy rainfall with 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches of rain forecast across eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Strong south winds gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour will persist this morning and afternoon ahead of a cold front, especially north of Interstate 44 in northeast Oklahoma. Spotter and Emergency Management Action Statement, activation of the Regional Spotter Network likely. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thursday, no hazards. Friday, thunderstorm potential. Saturday, thunderstorm potential, heavy rain potential. Sunday and Monday, thunderstorm potential, high wind potential, heavy rain potential. Tuesday, thunderstorm potential, heavy rain potential. Extended discussion. After quiet weather on Thursday and Friday, the weather pattern becomes more unsettled Friday night through early next week with daily shower and thunderstorm chances returning. Widespread heavy rainfall will be possible during this time. Additionally, at least a marginal threat of severe weather is expected by early next week. Weather.gov/Tulsa contains additional information. The Tulsa, Oklahoma climate and it continued to tear through the Northeast and Great Lakes. West Virginia was buried under 1 to 3 feet of wet snow that caused many buildings to collapse, and around 272,000 to lose power. In Ohio, around 250,000 lost power, and 65 to 70 miles per hour gusts lashed parts of Cleveland. In all, 148 died directly from Sandy, with 73 of them in the United States. Overall, Sandy caused around $68 billion damage, of which $65 million occurred in the United States, making Sandy the second costliest Atlantic Basin hurricane in United States history. In 1917, the low in Wichita was 14 degrees. This is the coldest temperature ever recorded in the city for the month of October. In 1987, severe thunderstorms in extreme southwest Oklahoma, near the town of Gould, produced golf ball-sized hail and gusts measured at 74 miles per hour. Record warm lows set at the Wichita Eisenhower National Airport on Tuesday, October 29th. The low temperature in Wichita only fell to 69 degrees on Tuesday. This broke the previous warm low record, which was 64 degrees set back in 1946. Record warm low set in Salina on Tuesday, October 29th. The low temperature in Salina only fell to 69 degrees on Tuesday. This broke the previous warm low record, which was 64 degrees set back in 1946. Record warm low set in Chanute on Tuesday, October 29th. The low temperature in Chanute only fell to 71 degrees on Tuesday. This broke the previous warm low record, which was 66 degrees set back in 1961. Record warm low set in Russell on Tuesday, October 29th. The low temperature in Russell only fell to 67 degrees on Tuesday. This broke the previous warm low record, which was 56 degrees set back in 1977. The current time is 7:23 a.m. Central Daylight Time. It was another windy and unseasonably warm night across central and eastern Kansas. South winds gusted over 40 miles per hour at times with pre-dawn temperatures from the mid-60s to the lower 70s. A few showers and thunderstorms moved across north-central Kansas as a cold front moved into the area. This cold front will continue to move eastward across mid-America today and tonight. Strong to severe storms are possible this afternoon through early tonight from southern Iowa across western Missouri, eastern Kansas, and eastern Oklahoma. It will remain windy and unseasonably warm ahead of the front today from eastern Iowa, Missouri, eastern and southern Kansas, as well as Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. High temperatures in these areas will climb into the 70s and 80s. Much cooler temperatures will prevail behind the front with highs generally in the 50s and 60s across western Iowa, most of Nebraska into north-central and western Kansas. However, even colder 40s will be found in far western Nebraska and northwest Kansas. Lows tonight will range from the 20s in western Nebraska and northwest Kansas to the lower 50s in southern Missouri and southeast Oklahoma. This hazardous weather outlook is for portions of central Kansas, south central Kansas, and southeast Kansas. For today and tonight, chances for showers and thunderstorms will increase from west to east late this morning through late tonight. Strong to severe storms are likely, capable of golf ball size hail, 60 to 80 miles per hour winds, and a few tornadoes. For Thursday through Tuesday, off and on numerous showers and thunderstorms are expected Friday night through early to mid next week. Strong storms along with locally heavy rainfall is possible. Spotter activation is anticipated this afternoon into tonight. Here's a look at weather conditions at 7 a.m. Wichita was cloudy, the temperature was 72, dew point 61, and the relative humidity was 68%. Winds were south at 28 gusting to 39 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.83 and rising. Winfield was partly cloudy. The temperature was 71, dew point 60, and the relative humidity was 68%. Winds were south at 21 gusting to 31 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.87 and rising. Hutchinson was cloudy. The temperature was 71, dew point 62, and the relative humidity was 73%. Winds were south at 18 gusting to 30 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.82 and rising. Elsewhere around the region, Newton was 72 and cloudy. Winds were south with gusts to 28. Wellington was 71 and cloudy. Medicine Lodge was 72. Winds were south with gusts to 21. Enid was 73 and cloudy. Winds were south with gusts to 33. Ponca City was 73 and cloudy. Winds were south with gusts to 26. Oklahoma City was 71 and mostly cloudy. Winds were south with gusts to 26. Dodge City was 53 and mostly cloudy. Salina was 71 and clear. Winds were south with gusts to 26. Emporia was 72 and cloudy. Winds were south with gusts to 37. Topeka was 74 and cloudy. Winds were south with gusts to 30. Kansas City was 72 and cloudy. Winds were south with gusts to 32. Once again at 7 a.m., Wichita was 72 and cloudy. The report from Kingman was not available. Here is some climate information from around the region. At Winfield, the high was 86 with a low of 71. At the Hutchinson Airport, the high was 82 with a low of 70. At the Wichita Eisenhower National Airport, the high was 85 with a low of 71. No precipitation was reported. The Wichita Eisenhower National Climate Summary for yesterday, October 29, 2024. Yesterday's high temperature was 85 degrees. This high was 20 degrees above the normal high of 65. The record high is 86 degrees, which was last set in 1950. Yesterday's low temperature was 69 degrees. This low was 27 degrees above the normal low of 42. The record low is 19 degrees, which was last set in 1917. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.24 inches. This is 2.47 inches below the normal amount of 2.71 inches for October. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 21.37 inches, which is 10.22 inches below normal. No snow fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to a trace. This is 0.2 inches below the normal amount of 0.2 inches for October. The total snowfall since July 1st still stands at a trace, which is 0.2 inches below normal. The normal high temperature for today is 65 degrees, and the normal low is 41. The record high for today is 88, which occurred in 1950, and the record low is 14, which occurred in 1917. Sunrise today is at 7:53 a.m. and sunset is at 6:33 p.m. On this date in weather history, in 2012, Sandy continued to tear through the Northeast and Great Lakes. West Virginia was buried under 1 to 3 feet of wet snow that caused many buildings to collapse, and around 272,000 to lose power. In Ohio, around 250,000 lost power, and 65 to 70 miles per hour gusts lashed parts of Cleveland. In all, 148 died directly from Sandy, with 73 of them in the United States. Overall, Sandy caused around $68 billion damage, of which $65 million occurred in the United States, making Sandy the second costliest Atlantic Basin hurricane in United States history. In 1917, the low in Wichita was 14 degrees. This is the coldest temperature ever recorded in the city for the month of October. In 1987, severe thunderstorms in extreme southwest Oklahoma, near the town of Gould, produced golf ball-sized hail and gusts measured at 74 miles per hour. The current time is 7:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. It was another windy